Scott Brown here. Welcome to another exciting episode of Scott Brown Carpentry, episode 30. Here we go again. This time there's two. Yeah.
Oh, you keep the hedgehog out.
Saving the hedgehogs, yeah. There's two of them. Pider's doing his best to get all the stuff out of the way so we can fly the digger through that small gap over there. And in the process, we're trying to save the orange tree. Because those oranges are just getting ripe, you know? It'd be a real shame to lose them now. He spent the whole morning laughing at me trying to operate it, so I'm just going to stick to building. We have to pull this digger through that path, across our holes, and into here, where by all accounts we have a massive amount of scoria. So it could be like an old soak hole or something, like maybe a lot of people put piles of scoria deep in a hole in the backyard to attract water, to keep water from flooding other parts of the garden. So maybe it's that. We're just going to try and dig it out and get to some solid ground. How do you feel?
Champion? Nah.
Champion?
Nah, I don't know.
First day on the job, you did pretty well.
Yeah, it's alright.
Look at that. So now our hole's pretty damn big.
Time to put some bodies in it, I guess.
So now that hole has become this hole. It's huge. We're about 1.2 meters and we've finally hit some hard clay. And Pido, the poor bastard, has been on the digger all day and he's managed to clear out all the scoria that was here. Feel like you could become a digger operator?
Yes, I do.
Yeah?
I should.
Yeah?
I should be paid double for this. Fuck, you can see how it gets boring though, eh?
Oh, really?
Well, you know, like if you're doing that every day, bro, on a stupid digger.
Repetition, eh? So yeah, the hole's big. We have to, I don't know. We just have to see how many piles it affects, and go from there. So we've contacted the engineer. Stay tuned. Imagine how many hedgehogs you could fit in that one.